Hello and welcome. I'm Raghav and today we are going to start our Ruby programming and we will write a very simple hello world program. And here today we are going to see how we can write anything on the console, and we are going to see the use of puts, p and print statement, and at the end of this video I will give you a very simple exercise. So let's get started, and I'm on repl.it and I have created a free account and I have logged in. So you can also create a free account on repl.it and log in. And now I will click here new repl and I will select the language Ruby, and I will give the name as basics and create the repl, and then we will get started with our Ruby setup. So this is booting and getting ready, and yes, this is now ready. I can go to files. This is version controlling, packages, database and settings. In the settings I will say I want a side-by-side layout, and I want a dark theme and the font size is large. So this is fine. Now I can start typing. So I will say to print anything on the console in Ruby I will use puts, and I can use a single quote or I can also use double quotes, and I can give the message inside the quote. So I will say hello world and I will click on run, and you can see the output here. It says hello world. Now if I go to the shell I can just say Ruby and give the name of the file, which is main.ruby main.rb here, and run, and still I am getting the output here hello world. So this is working fine. Now I can also say p, and in the quotes I can say anything, and if I run this, let us see the output. So you can see here I am getting this as well printed. So p is the short form for puts, so you can use p or puts, and then I can also say print and I will say hello again. And now if I run this, let us see the output. So you can see I am getting this hello again printed as well. Now if you see the difference here, when I use puts or when I use p, it prints on the console and moves to the next line. The cursor moves to the next line. However, for print it does not move to the next line. So if I now print something or put something again, you will see the difference. I will run this, and now you will see it did not put hello there in the next line, because print does not moves the console or the cursor to the next line, whereas puts or p moves it to the next line after printing. Now I can also copy all of this and create a new file. So I will say here add file, and I will say hello.rb, and all this I'm going to put inside this new file, and here I'm going to delete everything from main.rb so that we have a good distinction and easy categorization of all our code, and later I can also share this REPL with you. So if I run now, you will see here it only runs main.ruby, it does not run the other file. So for running the other file, that is hello.rb, I will go to main.rb and say load, and I will give the file name hello.rb. So now if I run, it will run hello.rb, and now it is running fine. So this is how we start with Ruby programming, and the exercise for today is write a Ruby program to print hello world using puts, p and print. So you have to use all these three statements and write hello world or print hello world on the console. I hope this was useful. I will meet you in the next session. Thank you for watching.